YouTube is training AI with creator video content, your video content. That is, if you allow and give access to YouTube. Now, thank goodness we have the opportunity to opt in and allow these companies to use our videos to train their AI models, or thank goodness we can opt out. I'm talking about your face, your mannerisms, your backdrop, everything about your videos could be used in the future to train these models. And imagine, watching a video and some creepy AI thing and it sort of looks like you. What are your thoughts? If you're not aware, let me break down exactly what's happening, and let's talk a little bit about this AI thing that YouTube has just made available to us, thank God. And here it is. You can now choose if you want third-party companies to use your content to train AI models in studio settings under third-party training. Holy sh*! Let me show you the settings so you can decide for yourself whether it should be on or off. Begin right here in settings with this icon. Next, come to channel, then you're going to click on advanced settings, and you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there it is. Oh my, third-party training. Now, right now, this is unchecked, thank goodness. Make sure it's unchecked just so you know that, okay, nobody's using my video content to train an AI model. Awesome, if that's what you want. But you may decide, like me, I'm still kind of thinking through which way I'm going to go if you want to allow third-party companies to use your video content. So if we go ahead and we click this little icon, you can see now we have this select third-party companies only. This allows you to give certain companies access to train different models. Like maybe you love AI, maybe you hate Pico Labs. Most people probably are just going to say yes or no, but we do have a lot of optionality here. So I've thought about this a bunch, and at this point, I think I'm gonna allow companies access to my video content to train third-party apps and whatnot. Why would I do that? The answer is simple. Now, a lot of people are like, well, what do I get out of it? Maybe in the future there will be some kind of a payment to creators that allow this. I'm curious if YouTube is actually going to be making money when they give access to, say, OpenAI data from thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of YouTube channels, so they can train their models and improve and so on. But at this point, it's just a yes or no. I don't think there's any payment. A lot of people have mentioned, first, you have to be in the partner program to be eligible to allow these models to train on your video content. So if you're not monetized, well, this may be a non-issue. And why would I give access to these models? Like I said, I'm still thinking this through. When I got started with AI, I was very optimistic. I was very pro AI, and I still am. But there are so many pitfalls and issues, and it really comes down to ethics. And one of the things about this update is YouTube mentions the word ethics. And the problem arises is when the keyboard warriors just type out a few prompts and they get back an image, a video, a voice clone, and so on, and it passes as the real thing. For example, as a wildlife photographer striving to photograph an eagle for ages and then finally capturing an image I'm proud of and seeing this, these different Facebook groups, eagles, and they're all AI generated. It's a little sickening because I think a lot of people that are enjoying these images are just not aware. And for me, that's where the issue really lies, is really the ethics and people understanding, yes, this is AI, or no, it's a photograph, it's a real video, and so on. And for me, that's really the main issue, is that these companies give people the access to create images, videos, and so on, and then they're used in a manner where the viewers really don't understand that it's not a real image. It's just someone banged out on a keyboard, give me a beautiful image of an eagle, versus someone who's been out in the field studying, practicing, dialing in their skills to capture something they're proud of. It's different. And there's something beautiful about art, real art, that's created with a camera. understanding the settings and the background and the light quality and everything that goes into creating art, whether it's photography, whether it's video, whether it's drawings, and so on. So for me personally, that's the side of AI, the ethics that I hate. And the positive is that at the same time, I can create incredible B-roll for my videos. I can create things that I really wouldn't have been able to create in the past because I have AI to help me tell a better story. So there's pros and cons, and this is something that will continue to rage on. And fact of the matter is, a lot of AI is being used, and you might not know. My thumbnails, a lot of them are being generated by AI after I take a photo. So I'm actually doing more work. I'm taking a photo and dialing in the settings and getting the light right and getting the right colors the way I want. And then I'm running the images, the photos through AI to get an enhanced look. Oftentimes the lighting is slightly improved, which would almost be impossible to nail in a real world setting. That's the power of AI. Having the ability to ask ChatGPT to write a sentence or two about a script that I'm currently working on, getting ideas, talking through things. Like I came up today with a great video about, death by 1,000 cuts, which is like a Chinese torture practice from ages ago. And I thought this is such a great idea for a YouTube video, because I think a lot of creators struggle because, I'm just going to do this one thing and then I'll go back to doing what really matters when it comes to creating a channel. And they struggle because they keep making these small little mistakes, or either they're aware or they're unaware, but it really impacts their ability to get the results they're after. What do you think? What are you going to do with this particular setting? For me, I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to allow parties to train their AI models on my videos, because I believe in ethical AI for use as a content creator, to make my videos the way I've always made them, but just to have a few more tools to power my creative process. So there you have it. Again, would love to get your thoughts. Do this. These videos on the screen now can help you to move forward, understanding why the algorithm may be holding you back. Check out those videos. When you do, you'll get the tips, the tactics, and more. You dig? Okay.